Students, we will discuss the important application of a practical part, बारावीचा application of Wheatstone's network, and that is your meter bridge. See, I draw the circuit on the board and then I will explain. Meter bridge, just follow the diagram, step by step I will explain. It consists of a uniform conducting wire 1 meter long, and hence it is called as meter bridge. It works on the principle of Wheatstone's network. Wheatstone's network चा condition काय? R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 upon R4. The conducting wire is made up of copper, uniform and straight, no bending anywhere. It is connected between the ends of two L-shaped copper strips. Patya. He patti number 1 L-shape. This is strip number 2, and this is another, that is strip number 3. Okay. If you want to draw scale, you can draw it. The copper wire is stretched on a wooden board between stretched on a wooden board. म्हणजे असा लाकडी board आहे. On that there are two L-shaped copper strips. To the end of the copper strips, a uniform conducting wire is connected. This is the third copper strip. It is connected such that it creates two gaps with the two L-shaped copper strip. बघा हा circuit बघा. Uniform conducting wire connected between two L-shaped copper strip fixed on a wooden board. हा आता white board आहे, brown color चा board असतो. हा, this is the third copper strip which creates two gaps between with the two L-shaped copper strip. ठीक है? The uniform conducting wire is connected in series with what? It is connected in series. आपल्याला काय काय लागतं? Battery, a key, and a, what is this? Rheostat. Are you okay? Key is closed, so make the current to flow. Then, important, a resistance whose value is unknown is connected in the left gap. Left gap, and this is right gap. So, unknown resistance whose value is not known to you and whose value is needed to be calculated by using meter bridge is connected in the left gap. Known resistance ज्याची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी दिलेली असते प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये, that is connected in the right gap. Then there is one more connection done where you connect a galvanometer of internal resistance G. One end of the galvanometer is connected to the copper strip and the other end is connected to a sliding contact which is called a jockey. जोकी म्हणजे असं माझं मार्कर कसं आहे ना, तसं एक स्टीलचं पेन असतं. That's it. ठीक आहे? So current is flowing. Show the direction of current. That's it. ठीक है? How you begin with the practical? I'll repeat the circuit once. We'll start with the practical part. AC is a uniform conducting wire stretched on a wooden board between two L-shaped copper strips. A third copper strip is placed on the wooden board or attached on the wooden board such that it creates two gaps with the two L-shaped copper strips. The uniform conducting wire is connected in series with a battery of EMF E, a key K, and a rheostat, which is a controller of current. That's it. A meter bridge. Why is it called as a meter bridge? Because it's a Wheatstone's bridge which consists of wire 1 meter long. म्हणून meter bridge. मोठं काही नाही. Unknown resistance, left gap. नोन रेझिस्टन्स ज्याची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकलमध्ये देतात, राईट गॅप. गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर, अ डिटेक्टर, अ करंट डिटेक्टर is connected in such a way that one end is attached to the copper strip, connected to the copper strip, and the other end to a jockey. Jockey is a contact. एक पेन कसा असतो, स्टीलचं पेन कसं, that's it. We'll begin here. What to do? Close the key, allow the current to flow through the meter bridge. Remove some resistance R from the resistance box. तुमच्या अंदाजप्रमाणे, कारण X is unknown, so what you can adjust is with R. Remove some resistance from the resistance box R. Take this jockey and tap it along the length of the wire. Tap म्हणजे अशी आपटायचं थोडक्यात, slowly, वायर फुटीसपर्यंत नाही. Slowly tap it along the length of the wire such that at a particular point D, the galvanometer shows zero deflection. What is the meaning of zero deflection? Means let me call this as B. Points B and D are equipotential points. Means no current. No current. No current means the no current is flowing through the galvanometer. Means this Wheatstone's bridge, which is a meter bridge, is balanced. Use the condition for balancing. What is the condition for balancing? X upon R is equal to resistance of length AD अपॉन रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ लेंथ CD. काय करायचं, स्केल तरी खालीच जोडली आहे, दोरा घ्या, रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ लेंथ AD अपॉन रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ लेंथ DC, X अपॉन R इज इक्वल टू रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ AD अपॉन रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ DC. नाउ व्हाट इज रेजिस्टन्स, दिस द व्हाट इज रेजिस्टन्स AD? इट इज 11th स्टैंडर्ड. R इज इक्वल टू रो L अपॉन A. ठीक है, तसंच रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ CD इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू लेंथ CD अपॉन A. स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टन्स आणि एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन वायर जोपर्यंत बदलत नाही, दे आर कॉन्स्टंट्स. देयरफॉर X अपॉन R इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? रो लेंथ AD अपॉन A रो लेंथ CD upon A. Therefore, X upon R is equal to LAD upon LCD. ते तर मेजर करणं इझी. दोरा घ्या, लेंथ AD मोजा, लेंथ CD is 100 सेंटीमीटर मायनस लेंथ AD. जॉब इज ओव्हर. R is known to you. तुम्हीच चाव्या काढून ठेवत बाहेर. X can be calculated. That is how you can determine the unknown resistance. That's it. Clear? After this, we are going to discuss the Kelvin's method. Kelvin's method same. हे पण प्रॅक्टिकल खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, दाखवतो तुम्हाला. Kelvin's method to determine the resistance of this galvanometer. For that, remove this galvanometer first. We are performing Kelvin's. ह्याच्यातच कसं मॉडिफिकेशन्स येतात तसं बघा हा. We take the Kelvin's method to determine the resistance of the galvanometer. तो रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ द गॅल्व्हनोमीटर काढायचा म्हणजे गॅल्व्हनोमीटर कुठे येणार? लेफ्ट गॅप. नोन रेजिस्टन्स सेम, कनेक्शन्स सेम. ओके, नीट ऐका. क्लोज द की, रिमूव्ह सम रेजिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स. ओके, नोट द डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द गॅल्व्हनोमीटर. कारण तुम्ही की क्लोज केलं म्हणजे करंट सगळीकडून फ्लो होणार. क्लोज द की, remove some resistance from the resistance box and note the deflection of the galvanometer. Say galvanometer is showing some range, म्हणजे असं डिफ्लेक्शन मेंटेन करायचं की त्याची जी रेंज आहे त्याच्यात 2/3 पाहिजे. लाईक समजा रेंज इज 100 मिली एम्पियर इतकी रेंज आहे त्याची, त्याचा 2/3 घ्यायचा. ऍडजस्ट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आर so that the galvanometer shows 2/3 of its resistance. म्हणजे 2/3 म्हणजे 200/3 मिली एम्पियर इतकं दाखवायचं. बाकी नो टचिंग. नाव टेक द जॉकी, move it across the length of the bridge wire such that at a particular point D, galvanometer is showing again same deflection. परत रिवाइज. सुरुवात कशी करायची? Do the connections. Galvanometer in the left gap, resistance in the right gap. This is a simple jockey connected. Close the key. Galvanometer will adjust the value of R. Galvanometer will show some deflection. कसे ऍडजस्ट करायचं ते? So that it is 2/3 of its range. 0 to 100 milliampere असेल तर 2/3 घ्यायची त्याची. तशी R ची व्हॅल्यू ऍडजस्ट करायची. Now take the jockey, move it across the length of the bridge wire such that at a particular point D, galvanometer is showing same deflection. Means galvanometer is showing the same deflection with or without contact of the jockey with the bridge wire. म्हणजे हा थोडक्यात इक्विपोटेन्शियल पॉइंट झाला आहे. जोकीला पॉइंट डी वर आणलं काय आणि नाही आणलं काय, गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर शोइंग सेम डिफ्लेक्शन. दिस इज कॉल्ड इक्वल डिफ्लेक्शन मेथड. पद्धत सेम, फक्त इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्स वी हैव रिप्लेस्ड इट बाय गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर. लेंथ AD, I'll write it as okay, length AD will do. Resistance of length AD, CD, ghala. Instead of X, just substitute X by G and we can determine the resistance of the galvanometer. Job is over. कळते? फक्त इथं गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर मध्ये न जोडता its resistance is to be calculated and therefore it need to be connected in the left gap. क्लोज की करून पहिला त्याचं डिफ्लेक्शन नोट करून परत जोकी फिरवून परत डिफ्लेक्शन नोट अशा पद्धतीने करायचं. सो दॅट इट्स शोइंग द सेम डिफ्लेक्शन. म्हणजे 2/3 ऑफ से 100 एम्पियर मिली एम्पियर. अरे ओके, एम्पियर नसते, मिली एम्पियर. नाही तर तुम्ही शॉक लागून तुम्हाला त्रास येतो. ठीक आहे. सो इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स आर व्हेरी स्मॉल अँड व्हॉट यू कॅन से टोटली सेफ टू स्टुडंट्स. ठीक आहे. दॅट्स इट. इज द कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर? We'll continue with more concepts tomorrow again. Bye.